Hey man, it's your boy Alia, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have another Big Sean merch review. However, this one's gonna be with a twist, okay? So we're mainly gonna be taking a look at like the hype or the resale opportunity around his merch. Cause something that I just found out, I was looking on Grailed and I'm just like, you know what? Because I ordered some of the Dawn Life's piece because they sell out, they're more limited. And I was just like, bro, like I know there's hype around it, but I did not know what yet. And it looks like Big Sean is signed under Kanye West's record label from the looks of it. So like if you search up Dawn's Life on Grailed, pull it up, you guys can see people are doing like Big Sean x Kanye x Travis. So I don't really know what the mix is about, but they got some new pieces. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a look at it and just give my honest viewpoints and discuss some of the resale values and kind of if this is a good little sleeper for you guys to go ahead and cop and resell. But without further ado, I need you guys to go ahead, smash up that like button. Let's get 100 likes on this video. I know that's the goal for each and every single video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go and subscribe because we're on the road to 10K, all right? But anyways, let's get this video started. All right, you guys, so we're not gonna waste no freaking time. We got Big Sean, and it's like I'm peeping some of the stuff, and it's low-key annoying me, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna let you guys know my stress and my worries. Okay, so right now, we're gonna take a look at the merch. So, from the first video that I did over him, those pieces essentially almost sold out. It was the Detroit pieces. This is, from the looks of it, I think this is everything that they have. Let's just go and hit apparel to see everything that was there. So there's 3 pages worth of stuff. Okay, so I'm not gonna focus a lot on the stuff that was sold out. So this piece, I remember I suggested, but it sold out. This piece sold out. I didn't go ahead and touch any of these pieces over here. Now back over here, this was another Detroit piece, and this is the one that people were saying it was the Big Sean x Travis x Kanye, you know, that type of stuff. And I have a few pieces over here. And something that I realized about Big Sean is that his Dawn merch low-key sells out, or it usually does good in like the aftermarket value. However, this piece over here, this is the very first piece. These are the pieces that I'm gonna be going over. Let me just go over the home page. I just wanted to show you guys everything. So these are the pieces I'm gonna be going over. Most of these pieces are already like, you know, covered. So let me just go run through some of these. This one, I mean, it's straight. So I personally really don't know. Not a big fan of it. Higher Than My Demons tee. This one is pretty tough. It's like a cool cartoon one, but the question is how many people will go out of their way to rock this print. It is very, very loud. That is a question that I don't even have the answers to. This one, Wake Up and Smell the Roses. This one is tough. Let's see the back. I feel like you can get away depending if the price was low. You have some lighters, and then you have some wristbands. Okay, so now we're basically caught up. So the Dawn's Life pieces usually go for a good amount. So we have the Dawn Life bone hoodie. What makes the bone hoodie? We have that on the back, simple, $65. And we have the white one, shirt, $35, right over here. And let me just go ahead and just voice my concern since we're already on the topic and we're already on like the piece that essentially I bought, but I bought this one in black, okay? So the last time that I checked his website and everything, these pieces were sold out. All the Dawn Life pieces were sold out. The only thing that was available was this piece that I'm about to go ahead and touch, which is right over here. And this was the piece that I was gonna go ahead and double up on just because it's kind of unique, has a lot more colors going on. And I just really like the print, and I feel like this piece in the future can definitely go ahead and go for like a decent amount. Minimum, I think I would be able to get for it is like $100, which that's a $35 profit, which is actually pretty good. Maybe even on the high ball, maybe be able to get a 20% return, secure in like 120, 130. So I was gonna go ahead and secure this piece right over here. However, for some freaking reason, my man's restocked this piece. And if he's restocking it, it's because the demand for it had to have been, you know, at least decent. So that is really, really annoying because now I'm gonna have to sit and do the sit and hold tactics for the sit and hold tactic and see if it's gonna work out for this piece. So whenever it comes to tour merch, it's kind of iffy. You kind of got to gamble with it. You kind of got to test your luck. If you feel like a piece is hard, go for it. But if the artist realize that it's just as hard, they're probably going to leave it up for a longer amount of time. And that's where you can kind of take an L, and it's kind of cut into your own profits. So that is that. Detroit pieces, they always go for nice stuff. They have this nice, cool little trucker hat. Yeah, the Dawn Life black trucker. It's nice, clean. You have Detroit too, that, and then essentially this is what it is. So essentially for this video, I really just want to go ahead and just touch on a few of the pieces that I didn't get to touch on the first time, which were the Dawn Life pieces. I really do like Dawn Life pieces. They're simple, but the aftermarket value, they usually go for a decent amount. Alright guys, so all that is essentially like how I'm feeling about it. I am very annoyed about the restocking, and that's why whenever it comes to reselling, especially with tour merch and some streetwear pieces, you've got to be very careful, because you never really know how artists will move, especially when they're seeing a good amount of traction towards a certain or particular item. And I'm assuming that with the Dawn Life pieces, it was seeing a good amount of traction. So of course they're going to keep it running. I've seen Instagram ads about it. I've just seen it all being pushed out specifically to Dawn's Life. So if they don't, I feel like a lot of artists don't really focus on making stuff limited and having hype around a certain piece for the longevity. I feel like they're just like, well, we can make a lot of money for it right now, and let's just go ahead and do that, because like, why not? So anyways guys, one, let me know if you went ahead and copped, and two, if you did cop, let me know like your thoughts on, you know, him restocking it and whatnot. So anyways guys, smash up that like button. We need 100 likes on this video, and if you're new to the channel, I know I say this in every video, but let's go ahead and smash it, bro. We're already 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We're growing each and every single day, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the support that you guys went ahead and just been showing on the channel. I've recently surpassed 200,000 views. I secured an interview for the channel on my campus. If you guys want to go ahead and find it, just type in Alia space the Daily Cougar for my campus. They went ahead and we had a little interview just discussing like my channel and whatnot. And to me, that's really amazing. The fact that like, you know, something that I just enjoy doing has kind of grown to a point to where, like, you know, I landed the interview, bro. You got to clap it up, bro. That is live, bro. And it's really because of you guys supporting my videos and just watching, liking, and just the whole nine, going out of your way to subscribe and leave a wonderful comment. So, I just want to thank you guys. But anyways, your boy Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.